When the Samsung Z Fold 6 is set to release, the company promises a lighter and broader design, which sounds fantastic. But the phone's exorbitant price is stirring up a lot of debate over whether the expense is justified. Let's examine the factors that contribute to the price's high level and the reason for the increased discussion. Although there isn't much new with the Samsung Fold 6, apart from a little bigger screen, there isn't much to complain about given Samsung's decreasing market share in the foldable phone industry. Nevertheless, a new Samsung foldable phone will be pretty pricey. Despite having identical storage and RAM choices, it costs $100 more than the Z Fold 5. When it comes to displays that support the S Pen, Samsung really has a significant advantage. However, let's start by discussing the cost. Samsung faces fierce competition from the Pixel Fold and OnePlus Open in the global market. A Pixel Fold with the same memory can be purchased for half as much as a Z Fold 6. That's right, half as much for the same kind of foldable phone. Let us now discuss the S Pen, which is a useful addition that also makes the Z Fold 6 even more pricey. To have the full Z Fold 6 experience, you'll need to shell out roughly $2,400, which is equivalent to purchasing a Chinese foldable phone plus a high-end normal phone. Samsung sells the S Pen separately for around $55, and if you want to carry it around, you'll need a special case that costs at least another $100. For those of you who love Spence, the little improvements in the Z Fold 6 are insignificant if you carry the pen in a case. The Z Fold 6 is somewhat slimmer than the one from last year, but once the S Pen case is on, it becomes thick once again. This makes me question whether upgrading to the Z Fold 6 is really worth it. What use are the new colors if you can't see them beneath the case? The second Galaxy Unpacked teaser is finally here. It seems like the Summer Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on July 10th at 10 p.m. KST. Although Samsung hasn't formally confirmed these facts, they seem to be quite precise and dependable. The official countdown has now begun. In fact, Blast has offered a gift on Twitter that includes an official countdown meter for the next Galaxy Unpacked event. The timer indicates that the event is set to take place on July 10, 2024, at 10 p.m. KST. This timer seems to be housed on a defunct Samsung webpage. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.